Today we're going over how to fix the most annoying problem on your 99-16 Super Duty. Cameron here from KC Turbos. Today we're going over how to fix the most annoying problem on your 99-16 Super Duty. That damn door rattle. Get yourself a pair of these FOMO Co. door strikers. These are off of a 09-14 F150. All right guys, so this is what we're working with. There's the original door striker. What we're doing is replacing it with one from that F150. See that rubber isolator there on the end? That's actually when your door closes. This rubber isolator is going to fill all the voids in your door latch, so your door won't be able to jiggle anymore. All that's holding these two bolts in is a little captive plate that sits behind your door striker here. So you shear these, rust them in place. Luckily enough for us, on this crew cab, you can get to that backing plate through this little grommet, but if you're on a single cab, you got to tear apart all the inside of your truck to get to it. First thing you're going to need is this T40 Torx bit. So I like to start with the ratchet so we make sure we're not stripping these Torx bolts. We're just loosening them up so we know that they're not frozen or rusted in place. All right, so once you got these things loosened up, you take them the rest of the way out and put some lubricant back in here. The back sides of these two bolts are exposed on the inside of this body panel. So if you're a big off-roader, you live in the Rust Belt, there is a chance water could have gotten in behind here and rusted the backside of those threads. So spray some PB Blaster. We're using the Zep stuff. Just down in the threads, wind it back in, wind it out. Here's our old latch, here's our new one. We're just gonna reinstall it with this rubber grommet facing into the door jamb. So once you get these bolts threaded in a little bit, so you know you're not gonna cross thread them, then all you have to do is wind them the rest of the way in. We're just going to snug them down. Now, we're going to torque these to 10 foot-pounds. Tighten it, and then you're going to feel your body gap right here, your body lines. This front door now feels like it's sitting below your back door. There's a good chance you're going to catch a lot of wind, go straight inside the cab. It's going to be really annoying, and then you're going to have a new problem. So, let me show you how to adjust these, because there's just a little bit of adjustment in there, so you can have a perfectly closing door that doesn't rattle. So you just saw me try and close this door here, and it sat a little bit too far below this next door behind it. So what we're going to do is loosen it up, maybe a quarter turn. The door's sitting too far in, right? So this striker here, we need to bring the striker out. Just find a big old pry bar, just enough so that striker plate moves. Tighten these back down, torque them to that 10 foot-pound mark. See how the door shuts. Oh, perfect. And there you have it. Gonna take your old truck from this to this. Check it out on kcturbos.com. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know below if you got any questions. If I didn't cover the striker adjustment well enough, let me know. Happy to hop in the comments there and help out with whatever I can.